Transferring SMS from a Huawei to an iPhone can be tricky due to system differences. While photos and contacts can transfer easily, text messages often require extra steps. In this guide, we'll show you the best methods to move your messages to your new iPhone. Part 1. Transfer messages from Huawei to iPhone with phone transfer. Transferring text messages from Android to iPhone can be challenging, as most tools do not support direct SMS transfer between the two systems. How to use phone transfer to move text messages from Huawei to iPhone. Step 1. Export SMS from Huawei and iPhone to your PC. First, download and install phone transfer on your computer. Then connect both your Huawei phone and iPhone using USB cables. Set your Huawei phone as the source device. Once connected, your files will be displayed by category. Click on Messages to preview your text messages. Wait until all messages are loaded. Select the conversations you want. Then click Export to PC. Choose CSV as the export format recommended. Next, switch to your iPhone as the source device and repeat the same steps to export its messages in CSV format. Step 2. Merge SMS. Copy Huawei messages into the iPhone CSV. Save as a new file. Step 3. Transfer to iPhone. Install eTools. Connect your iPhone. Go to Toolbox, iTunes Backup Restore. Select Messages, SIMs, DB. Then import from CSV. Part 2. Transfer SMS from Huawei to iPhone using Move to iOS app. On your iPhone, start Setup and select Move Data from Android on the Apps and Data screen. Open Move to iOS on your Huawei, tap Continue, agree to terms, and tap Next. Enter the code from your iPhone on the Huawei to connect. Select Messages and other data if needed. Then tap Next to start the transfer. Keep devices close until the transfer completes. Once done, tap Done on your Huawei, then finish setting up your iPhone. Your SMS will appear in the Messages app. Part 3. Transfer messages from Huawei to iPhone with SMS Backup and Restore. Install SMS Backup and Restore. Tap Get Started. Backup messages to your chosen storage. Transfer the ZML file to your iPhone and open it to read.